Twinkle's Quiet Day isn't just a story, it's a gentle tool to help your little ones learn about feelings, empathy, and friendship. As parents and teachers, here's how you can use each part of the story to create meaningful SEL moments with your child or students. When Twinkle doesn't want to play,
I think I want a quiet day today.
pause here and ask, have you ever had a day like Twinkle? What did your body or heart feel like on that day? Teaching moment. Help kids connect their own experiences to Twinkle's feelings. This builds self-awareness and normalizes rest and quiet time.
Luna blinked. She hadn't expected that. What should she do now?
When Luna feels surprised and unsure, pause and ask, what do you think Luna was feeling when Twinkle didn't want to play? If you were Luna, what would you do? Teaching moment. Encourage children to see the situation from Luna's view. This builds empathy and problem-solving skills.
Then Luna remembered. She had quiet days too. Days when she felt sleepy or just needed stillness.
When Luna remembers her own quiet days, pause and say, Luna had quiet days too. Do you remember a time you wanted things to be calm or when you didn't want to play? Teaching moment. Connect the story to your child's real-life experiences to help them relate better. Help them with naming their feelings. This strengthens emotional vocabulary and teaches them it's okay to honor their needs.
Would you like me to sit with you?
When Luna sits beside Twinkle quietly, pause and reflect. What kind thing did Luna do here without even talking? Teaching moment. Highlight the power of presence and support. Children learn that sometimes being there quietly is just as caring as saying or doing something.
And so they walked quietly together, just two friends, side by side, enjoying a peaceful, quiet day.
When they go for a gentle walk, pause and suggest, just like Luna and Twinkle, what's one calm thing we could do together next time when you want to have a quiet day? Teaching moment. Turn the story into action. Create a small shared quiet activity with your child. Example, sitting outside, drawing, playing a board game. This models self-regulation and connection. By pausing at these moments and inviting simple questions, you transform Twinkle's quiet day into an easy, natural way to teach emotional awareness, empathy, and kindness, all through a gentle story. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this helpful. See you in the next guide.